So this is my Cricut Explorer 1, and I got this way back, and I'm just now starting to use it. So excuse my animal. So I already have the black vinyl set up on the mat. You can get this stuff from Joann's. I didn't buy all the fancy Cricut tools. I just went to Dollar Tree, aka $1.25 Tree now, and just picked up a dentist tool, well, a teeth cleaner, and I just used that to do my weeding. So I didn't get all of that fancy stuff. I'm a little frugal, but when I need to spend money, when it comes down to my business and stuff, I will. Just not a whole lot, but I will. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna set this up. I have this set up in here. You have to line it up with those sides right there, have the mat in there, and then let me get my MacBook. And so what you're gonna do is you are going to go here to design space, and do your text in here. I got everything out of DAF Font, and then I downloaded the font and saved it. How Cricut is, when you save a font to Cricut, you have to refresh it. Well, on MacBook, I just closed it and opened it back up, and my new fonts were there. So you set up everything how you want it. Then you'll click on Make It. I click on Matte 12 by 12. Continue. You do not mirror. Mirror is only for like HTV. This is permanent vinyl that'll be going on the bag. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have Bad at the top, right here in the middle, and Bunny right here. And then hopefully I got enough vinyl down there for both of those. If not, trial and error, baby, trial and error. Okay, so we got these lined up here. Click continue. Okay. No, it's not paper. It's supposed to be vinyl. I think my child has been in here playing with my stuff, touching stuff. Hold on one second. So it's supposed to be vinyl. So since you changed it to vinyl, it's supposed to pick it up on vinyl. Waiting for it to notice that I changed it. All right, and so the setting changes to vinyl. This is what cuts your lettering on your vinyl, and of course this is to load the mat. So let's go ahead and do that. So it's already blinking for you to load the mat, so make sure it's lined up. Gonna push the button. Okay, and then the next is to press the go button, which is this cute little C button right here. And now it's gonna work. So let's go ahead and let this finish up, and we'll pick up when it's time to weed. All right, now that it's done printing, I mean, it's all black, so you're not really going to be able to see the lettering. Maybe just a tad bit. You can see where it says bunny here and bad at the top. But we're going to go ahead and use that tool that I told you I got from Dollar Tree, or $1.25 Tree now. And you're going to just go ahead and weed the areas that need to get that taken care of. So we're going to take that out and just put that there. And right here, we're going to do that. I'm just lay the vinyl up there. And then the 2Ds. Okay, and I think I got everything. So now, oh nope, the bees, can't forget the bees. And sometimes this vinyl is a doozy to get up, so hold on. Okay, I got it now. All right, so now is time to peel the negative. So we're gonna go ahead and peel that. And my skin is sticking to this mat. Let me go ahead and get that taken care of real quick. Alrighty. Let me get this B right here. Get all of this stuff on there. Okay, let's get that taken care of real quick. I told you these can be oh no, did it stick to the wrong side? Hold on. Dang. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so got it fixed. So what I'm going to do is use this, if you can see it, it's Cricut transfer tape. So what I'm going to do is the bad portion first. And this is crazy trying to do this with one hand and record with the other. But with this transfer tape, what I like to do is just get it on there real good. Like I said, I don't have the fancy tools that people get, like the little scraper and stuff. My hands, my fingers, and this tool here is good enough, baby. I just needed to get stuck to this transfer tape to transfer it to the bag. Okay, and then we're just going to see how that is on here now. Okay. And this is the same transfer tape I've used for the first bag I tried. Okay, so I'm on my sewing mat, and what I did was, all right, so we got it on the transfer tape, and what I do is line my bag up on my sewing mat, and we're gonna put it right here. Line the lettering up. Okay. Whatever I get my hand on, I just use it to get it flat. Whatever the case may be. Like I said, I ain't got no fancy tools. I just use what I got at home. I'm gonna just use this to smooth that out. Okay. And then it's gonna transfer to the bag. Okay. And then we're just gonna lift it up. Peel slowly to not cause any damage, because vinyl will tear easily. You can pull from the side, you can pull from the bottom, from the top. See, this one ain't ready, and so we're gonna press down. I'm gonna try again. Okay, and transfer it to the bag now. So finish pulling off. Okay, the A is on there now. Be very gentle. The first time I tried it out, I tore my A just a little bit. Okay, we're almost there. All right, babies. Okay, can you see that? Bad is on there now. Now time to get bunny transferred on there. And I'm using the same transfer tape that I had. So get this rubbed in there. Okay, should be on here now. Okay. I'm gonna use this line and be very careful. Get my B added up with that. A little bit of the transfer tape is gonna get on the D. That's okay. So you can just pull that up a little bit. Okay. My tool. You're not ready yet. Okay. Slowly. Uh-oh. The eye, the dot. Rub that in a little bit. All right, now let's see. There we go. And now you have a branded bag with your logo on there. Free 99. Only thing you gotta do is buy the vinyl. You can get the vinyl at Joann's or Amazon. It's not that expensive. That's about it. Like I said, you can get this tool right here from Dollar Tree, aka $1.25 tree now. This helps to weed the vinyl and everything. And that's about it. Now, what you could do if you want to do a bunch of bags is cut out your vinyl, have a bunch of them on there, and have it lined up on the machine, on your laptop, where the machine can know that it's 3 pieces of vinyl on there, and it'll do it so you'll have 3 pieces with your business name on there. And if you just buy a bunch of mats, you can just have the stuff cut out and put on the mats and just load each mat up. But that's it. It's that simple. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good day.